Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your iPhone so Gboard can act inside WhatsApp. Install Gboard, then open the app to accept any initial prompts. Next, navigate to Settings, General, Keyboard, and add new keyboard to select Gboard. Once added, tap the keyboard list entry and toggle full access on. This allows features like glide typing and search. These steps let iOS recognize Gboard system-wide, so when you open WhatsApp next, you'll be able to switch to Gboard immediately and use its extras. Once done with system setup, open WhatsApp and enter any chat to bring up the keyboard. Tap and hold the globe or emoji icon at the bottom left of the keyboard. A menu appears. Select Gboard. Now you can swipe, tap for GIF, use search, and access clipboard suggestions directly. Make sure to grant Gboard permission if prompts reappear when using features like search or GIF. If you want to return to the default keyboard, press and hold the globe again and pick the original keyboard. To finish, explore Gboard's features: glide typing for fast input, the magnifying search for GIF and emoji, voice dictation, and the clipboard manager. If the keyboard lags or fails to appear, make sure full access is enabled, then force quit WhatsApp and reopen it. Once done, toggle full access off and on if problems persist. As a final fix, delete and reinstall Gboard. Back up any important clipboard items beforehand, because a fresh
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.